Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power off and unplug the device to avoid damage, then remove the affected keycap carefully with a plastic pry tool. Once done, use compressed air to blow out loose debris from under the cap. This removes crumbs and dust that mechanically block travel. Next, inspect the key mechanism and stabilizer. Look for bent clips or trapped particles. If you see sticky residue, plan to clean with a cotton swab dipped in 90% isopropyl. This dissolves gunk without harming circuits. Now perform deeper cleaning and fix the mechanism. Dip a swab in isopropyl 90% and gently clean the switch seat and surrounding area. Make sure there is no pooled liquid. Then, if the scissor clips or stabilizer are bent, gently realign them with tweezers. This restores even travel and prevents lateral binding. If rubber dome is torn, replace it. Once reseated, press the switch plunger several times to confirm smooth travel and click. Because function verification prevents reassembly errors later. Finish by snapping the keycap back in place. Align the tabs and press until you hear a secure click. You should feel even resistance across the key. Next, boot and run a simple keyboard test. Hold the key to check repeat, tap fast to check debounce, and compare travel to adjacent keys so you confirm consistency. If problems persist, make sure the ribbon connector is seated and contacts are clean. If not fixable, replace the key module or entire keyboard as the last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.